Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a tag video for you, and I love tag videos. I think they're so much fun, and I've seen this one circulating around YouTube, and I figured I would jump on board. This tag was created by Cassie Thorpe. I'll link her original video down below for you in the description box. But the essence of the tag is if you had $10,000 to spend on handbags for the rest of your life, meaning you're basically starting from scratch, you have no handbags, and you need to buy all the handbags that you will need for the rest of your life using $10,000. This was a tough one. I was taking so many factors into consideration. I was thinking about practicality. I was trying to think about what fits in each bag. I was trying to think about what different occasions in life you need certain handbags for, trying to take all these things into account. And also, of course, price, guys, price. You only have $10,000, so you really got to think about it and narrow it down. But after a lot of thought and consideration, I was able to narrow it down. So if you love tags like me, keep watching. But if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Anne. I make weekly videos on fashion and lifestyle, and I'd love for you to subscribe down below. And I just want to take a minute and thank my subscribers because you guys are amazing, and I really appreciate all the thoughtful comments you guys have been giving. And this YouTube journey has been amazing, so much more than I thought it would be, and I just wanted to thank you guys for that. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so just really quickly, I wanted to tell you some of my thoughts going into this tag video. So I buy a lot of my handbags pre-loved, but for the sake of this tag, I am using all current retail prices for these handbags, and I am excluding tax, guys. So I'm cheating a little bit, but I figured tax varies so much from state to state, so I'm just gonna go with no tax for this. Okay guys, so my first pick is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the size in damier ebene. Guys, this bag is so great. I've had this bag for a number of years now. I wear it every single day to work. It fits so much stuff in it. And to be honest, this was not an easy choice. I actually really also love the Neo Noe, and I just did a video talking about the Neo Noe and kind of talking about how I see it almost as the new Neverfull in a lot of ways. So I do love that bag. But the only thing is it cannot fit my laptop in it. And so although I'm using the Neo Noe casually way more than I'm using the Neverfull, I still need the Neverfull to bring to work every day so I can carry my laptop. So that's just me being super practical. But to be honest, you can never go wrong with a really large tote bag. I think everyone should have a big tote bag in their collection because you can really just carry everything you need in it. It's for those days where you need to carry everything and the kitchen sink. You really can get it all in this bag. And it's so good for travel, for work, as a diaper bag. You can use this in so many different stages of your life, and it's never going out of style. That's the best part. And this retails brand new in the United States for $1,390. And the next bag I picked is my Louis Vuitton Speedy B 25 in the damier ebene. And guys, this is an oldie but a goodie. This bag is so amazing. I have used this bag to death. It is a great everyday bag. It fits all your essentials and more. I've taken this traveling with me and it's been amazing. I've thrown hats in it, gloves, scarves when I've been traveling. Especially it's great as a travel winter bag because you need to carry a little bit more usually, or at least I do. But I love this bag, and I was really thinking about this tag, really about how these bags needed to last me for the rest of my life. So I'm a pretty classic girl anyway, but I was really thinking about classic pieces for this tag, and the Speedy, guys, has been around forever, and it's going to be around forever more. So this isn't going out of style, it's not going anywhere, and I could totally see myself using this as a little old lady when I'm old and gray, carrying the little Speedy around. I think it would be so cute. So yeah, this is my second choice, the Louis Vuitton Speedy B 25 in the damier ebene. And guys, the damier ebene, because guess what? Remember, it's weatherproof. You don't have to worry about vachetta or rain or anything, so it's amazing. And the Speedy B 25 currently retails in the United States for $1,490. Okay guys, so my third choice really has to do with me trying to take all the different occasions into account that I would need a handbag. So this is a more formal choice. And so I would choose the Saint Laurent wallet on chain in the nude leather with the gold hardware. And I would choose the smaller size, guys. And I actually have the larger size of the wallet on chain. It's right here. And again, it's in the same exact color combo that I was talking about. It's in the nude leather with the gold hardware. But guys, I would pick the smaller version because it's just a little bit more versatile. Although I prefer this size in a clutch bag for formal events, there are some reasons why the smaller size wallet on chain is a little bit more versatile and practical. So the smaller size you can actually wear crossbody, and it has a little bit of a leather strap here on the top of the chain so that it's a little bit more comfortable, it doesn't slide off. And I feel like this larger size definitely lends itself more to special occasions. I think it is quite a dressy bag. It has a gold chain here, which is beautiful, but it does dress the bag up quite a bit. If you wear it crossbody, it does sit up really high, so it's not really great for crossbody in my opinion. You can wear it over one shoulder, but again, I think that this is pretty dressy, where I think the smaller size can also be super dressy. You can get away with it for special occasions, but you can also wear it casually as well. So that's my third pick, the smaller Saint Laurent wallet on chain in the nude leather with the gold hardware. And that retails in the United States for $1,350. Okay guys, we're on to my last bag. Any guesses? So for my last bag, I picked my Chanel medium large classic flap in the caviar leather with the gold hardware. And guys, this bag is just so beautiful. This is one of my favorite bags of all time. It's just gorgeous. And I knew if I was picking all the handbags that I needed for the rest of my life, I needed to choose a Chanel classic flap. And I was trying to decide which one to go with. And yes, I did take the price into account. And I was really deciding between my medium large and my mini. I love my mini, and I think right now I do wear my mini more than I wear my medium large. But I just don't know how practical the mini will be for the rest of my life. I think that this is a great size. I think the jumbo is also amazing, and I do have the jumbo, which I love as well. But I think that this is such a perfect in-between size. I think since this isn't as large as the jumbo, you can still get away with it for dressy occasions. I think it's so elegant wearing it just over one shoulder. That's my preferred way to wear it. I just think it's so beautiful. And I think that this is a bag that looks amazing dressed down too, with just a t-shirt and some jeans. I think it looks so good. So I thought that this was super practical, guys. You can fit a good amount in it. You can wear it as an everyday bag or a special occasion bag. And guys, this bag is just so amazing. It is so classic. It works for so many different occasions, and I couldn't be without a Chanel flap in my collection. And this currently retails in the United States for $5,800. And guys, I cheated a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. My total came out to $10,030. So I was $30 over budget. And I think that's okay because I did buy my Chanel classic flap pre-loved. And if I was to buy it again today, I would probably also be going the pre-love route. So that does it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. What bags would you choose if you only had $10,000 to pick for handbags for the rest of your life? Let me know in the comment box below. I'm very interested. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.